Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Download iCloud for Windows from the Microsoft Store on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. Install the app and restart the computer when prompted to complete the setup. Open iCloud and sign in with your Apple ID and two-factor code if requested. Choose iCloud Drive, Photos, Mail, Contacts, Calendars, and Bookmarks to sync. Click Apply to begin syncing files between iCloud and your Windows user folder. Ensure your PC meets minimum requirements and has enough free disk space available. Open File Explorer to find iCloud Drive under Quick Access or this PC locations. Drag and drop files into iCloud Drive to upload and sync them automatically. Use the iCloud Photos option to download originals or keep optimized versions locally. Enable shared albums to view and contribute photos with friends and family. Right-click Files in File Explorer to share iCloud links or free up local space. Pause syncing from the iCloud app when you need temporary bandwidth control. Check the Manage iCloud Storage from the iCloud app by clicking Manage Storage to view usage. Upgrade to a paid plan if you need more than 5 GB of free storage. Delete unwanted backups and large files to free space for new sync operations. If sync stalls, sign out and sign back in, or restart the iCloud app. Update iCloud for Windows and Windows itself to resolve known compatibility issues. Enable two-factor authentication on your Apple ID to protect your synced data. Contact Apple support if persistent errors appear after troubleshooting basic steps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.